Salbonani, siyaqhubekela phambili nge-topic reciprocals of numbers. Today sakhangela ama-calculations. Two rules esizazikhangela. A versus A divided by B is equal to A times reciprocal ka B. Also, if you are given 1 over y is equal to z, you can also say z is equal to 1 over y. Sikhangela ama-examples. 5 divided by 6,6. So far lokuthi ngu 5 times reciprocal ka 6,6. Rule number 1 lena. So it's 5 times 1 divided by 6,6. Then sesingaya kuma reciprocal table, sithole reciprocal eka 6,6. Under x column ku 6,6 sathola ukuthi i-answer ngu 0,1515. So izaba ngu 5 times 0,1515, which is equal to 0,756. Then 10 divided by pi, kumele siqale ngokuthola i-number pi, because lapho we are just given a symbol. So far lokuthi ngu 10 divided by pi ngu 3,142. Konke I think sonke siyakwazi lo. Then far lokuthi ngu 10 times reciprocal ka 3,142. So it's 10 times 1 divided by 3,142. Sesiya kuma tables ukuthi sithole reciprocal ka 3,142 ku x column 3,1. Then sesiya under u4 siyathola u3185. But sesiya under i-column subtract differences ku2 kulo 2, so it means kuba ngu 3185 minus 2, which is 3183. So sesingayibhala phansi. So it's 10 times 0,3185 minus 2, which is 0,3183. So izaba ngu 10 times izaba ngu 3,18. Ukusebenzisa ama-reciprocal tables besikhuluma ngakho ku lesson last time edlule, so you can check i-previous lesson. A car traveled from Gwanda to K 65 kilometer distance and took 2,3 hours. Calculate its average speed. So sonke we know ukuthi speed is equal to distance divided by time. Yi formula le you calculate speed, distance divided by time. So sati speed is equal to distance 65 kilometers. Ukusuka eKezi siya eGwanda ama kilometer is 65. Then isikhathi 2,3 hours. So izakuba ngu 65 times reciprocal ka 2,3. Then sungaya kuma reciprocal tables. So 65 times 1 over 2,3. Sesingaya kuma reciprocal tables. Sizayithola reciprocal si multiply ku 65. Sesithola i-answer yethu as 28,3 kilometers per hour. Find the value of f if 1 over f is equal to 3,45. I-rule yes 2. 1 over y is equal to z. So it means z is equal to 1 over y. I-rule yes 2 le besiwaswa ama-rules namhlanje. So it means where it case if 1 over f is equal to 3,5, it means f is equal to 1,345. Then the answer sesingayithola thina kuma reciprocal tables. Then next one, if r 1 over r is equal to 1,345 plus 1,223. We need to first evaluate right hand side ngoba sifuna ukuthi sithi sithole u-r. So singasebenzisa ama reciprocal tables sathola the right hand side iba ngu 0,289 plus 0,448. which is equal to 0.734. Then the same rule, liya ethi 1 over y is equal to z, then z is equal to 1 over y. So it means so kuthi u r uza kuba ngu 1 over 0.734 ngoba sithi 1 over r is equal to 0.734. How about r? Siyenza u r ebe subject of formula, then kuzaba ngu r is equal to r is equal to 1 divided by 0.734. Then sesingaka kuma reciprocal tables ethu, and then check ukuthi i-reciprocal ka 0.734 ngubani. Sizaya ku x column u7.3, singaka u7.3 sathola, and then siye la ku under i-column ka4 sathola u1362. But since we are looking for a reciprocal ka 0.734, i-answer ngeke ibe ngu1362. I-answer iba ngu 1.362.